How to find manually approved tag settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find manually approved tag settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and now click on your profile, and here you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and then just click this one, tags, and as you see here you will find manually approved tags, and here you can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. Then just go back, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.